Welcome to my channel. Tasty Tadka Delight. Curd 2 tablespoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chili powder 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala half teaspoon. Salt according to the taste. Jeera powder half teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Add oil about 2 tbs. Fresh coriander leaves. Cut paneer, onion and capsicum into cubes. Mix all ingredients. Stew all the mixed veggies and paneer. Grill in the grill pan. Best recipe for beginners. As a starter, best for all family members. Serve hot with sauce or any dip. Thanks for watching.